thank you for your desire to learn about how to become a dementia-friendly business. People all around us are affected by Alzheimer's or another dementia-related disease, and through dementia-friendly practices, we can all better support those in our community living with dementia. People living with dementia and their care partners will choose to frequent businesses that are easy to navigate and have helpful, aware staff. First, we want to know the signs and symptoms of someone living with dementia. First is memory loss that disrupts daily life, challenges in planning or solving problems, difficulty completing familiar tasks at work, home, or leisure, confusion with time or place, trouble understanding visual or spatial relationships, new problems with words and speaking or writing, misplacing things and losing the ability to retrace steps, decreased or poor judgment, withdrawal from work or social activities, and changes in mood or personality. Here are some common challenges people living with dementia may face as a customer or client: confusion over too many choices, problems communicating, confusion over where they are and what service you offer, decreased or poor judgment, and problems paying or misplacing their wallet. So, what can you do as a business owner? You can slow your pace slightly and allow time for the person to process and respond when talking to them. Speak clearly and calmly, be patient and understanding. Avoid arguing with or contradicting the person. Simplify sentences or choices. Make eye contact and address them politely as sir or ma'am. Approach the person slowly and from the front. Ask one question at a time and gently remind them of prices for things. Finally, always seek to understand the person's feelings and reality. And here are some tips to make your physical environment safe and welcome to all persons. Provide places to sit down and rest. Ensure the environment is well lit and include natural lighting if possible. Your flooring should be plain and not slippery. Signage should be clear and avoid fancy fonts. If possible, have a unisex or family bathroom, and have employees wear name tags that are easy to read. How can we spread dementia-friendly practices? You can partner with advocacy groups and state agencies to learn more about dementia-friendly practices. You can share your learning and experience and spread best practices to promote dementia-friendly principles among others. And finally, you can become a dementia friend at dementiafriendsusa.org/become a dementia friend.